Well, we're back again, as I promised the previous 2 weeks. We are back again, and we spoke about the viscosity, temperatures. Is it made for Africa? I've got a question again that's coming to my mind again. Motul oil, is that only for engines?
Yeah, so as Motul, we originally started out by producing engine oils, but we've got lubricants for your entire car. Our goal is a 360-degree make it last program, so we've got lubricants for your engine, gearbox, differentials, coolants, we've got fuel additives, car care product lines. So anything you need in your car, we can make sure we provide the right maintenance products for you.
Now, there you have it. Can that service be done in Namibia? That is normally the first question. Is yalla in Namibia? Can we go for it?
100%. So we've got a distributor in Namibia that represents Motul, and from South Africa we support him fully. He's got a dealer network throughout Namibia. A new partnership that we've developed now is the CYMOT group. So Motul is widely available for anybody that would like to do some DIY work, but there's so many different workshops. Stein Service Center, they've got the Motul Evo concept for our automatic transmission flushing system, so a very effective system to maintain your gearbox. And there's so many different dealers that you can get your car serviced at using the best products available from us.
So last question from my side. I'm sure that our viewers, my followers, and they are worldwide, you can take my word for that, I value them. Motul, the role in the motorsport. Why is that so important? You see on the Dakar, Motul. You see on race cars, Motul. You see on the cross-country guys, Motul. And even lately, I see even at our, what do you call it, this guys with the motorbikes that are jumping for nothing. And I see Motul well represented. Why is it so important for you guys?
So, I mean, as a brand, one of our values is passion, and we absolutely love passion. And I think racing brings out passion in every single way. And another value is our brotherly nature. So when you're at a race, you've got passion, and competitors are always brotherly. So it aligns with the brand totally. Overall, it gives you some additional brand exposure, but the biggest advantage for us is the R&D potential that comes out of it. So in racing, vehicles are pushed to their absolute limit. There's so much demand put on the engine and on the lubricants themselves. Any type of lubricant has to perform at its top level to cope in the racing environment. And if it copes in the racing environment, then for every day it's perfect, especially in harsh conditions like we experience in Namibia and the rest of Africa. And that is why we're involved so strongly in motorsport. This allows us to test our products in the toughest environments and make sure we're bringing the best possible product that we know how to develop to the end user to ensure we're bringing value to the users.
Yeah, thank you so much. So if our viewers see the name Motul at the motocross or at the go-karts frequently here in across Namibia, now you know.
100% trust the specialist that's been bringing lubricants to you since 1853, eh?